we talk about 3 excellent tips in Excel that can help you to win a lot of minutes or even hours in your daily tasks. First one, it's flash fill. With flash fill, you have, let's say, first name here in column E, and second column in column F, you have salesperson last name. So let's say that we have to write the full name for each salesperson. So in this case, flash fill will help us a lot. Let's start here in column K. I will write the first name, which is Alice Harrison. So after that, I will hit Ctrl E, and here we go. All the other cells are now completed based on what we wrote in the first one. So this is flash fill, excellent option and tip of Excel. The second tip is quick analysis. It's a great tool that can be used when you want to make fast charts or fast formats. So it just highlight your data and click a button, an icon. From there, you can instantly create charts and totals or apply conditional formatting without touching a single formula. So I will select, let's say, salesperson name till units sold. And now after the selection, you see that on the bottom right, you have a small icon. And if I put here, the pointer says quick analysis. You can also use it by pressing Ctrl and Q. So I will click this button and you see that I have formatting, charts, totals, or even tables, or spark lines. So for this exercise, let's make a fast cluster column chart. And here we go. We have units sold by salesperson first name, last name, sorry. So Excel give us a fast chart and we can play with it or even create another one. So we can also play with spark lines, you see, in the unit price because it's the column with values. So it's excellent when you want to make fast decision, fast charts to help you decide for your business. The third one, so last but not least, I will show you a simple Power Query cleaning method. So let's say that in this column, instead of customer full name, we receive a different type of format for this column extracted from our ERP. So here I will make a fast modify, let's say new customer name. And for this exercise, I will combine order ID with point, a dot, and also name. I will put also here a space, let's say. So now we have this type of column. Okay, so what I want to do is to clean all these names fast without taking one by one. Let's say that can be 1,000 or 100. So now I want to make a fast clean of these cells. So I will select this one. Okay, now I'm going to data from table range. My table has headers. Yes, I will click OK. And we are now in the Power Query editor. So our Power Query editor gives us the possibility to edit all these cells instantly. So I will click the column. I'm going to transform tab, and here at the text column I have extract, and I want to extract text after delimiter because we want to have only the name, the first name and the last name of the customer. And I will click text after delimiter, and here I will put the delimiter. In our case is dot and space, because I want to have clear the column, all the cells from the column. I don't want to start the name with a blank space. So I will click OK, and here we go. All the names are now clean. And now if I go to File, Close and Load, you see I have a table with the correct name for each person. So it's a fast way to extract and to edit data, and then go back to your table and play with the data that you need.